Hello and welcome to Toppers Corner. I am Dr. Dinesh Nagpal, Chief Mentor, Career Compass. As you know, we are an organization involved in the coaching for training or entrance test for CAT, CLAT since 2004. Other courses also like IPS, BPA. And this Topper Corner is a show. It's a show where I invite people from different national level colleges, that can be Indian Institute of Management, NLUs, or any other national level college, where some of our students are studying. We invite them on this show. हम उनसे बात करते हैं, समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि नेशनल लेवल में इंस्टीट्यूट में पढ़ने का अर्थ क्या होता है, क्यों नेशनल लेवल के जो इंस्टीट्यूट है वो आईआईएम्स हो, आईआईटीज हो, उनमें क्या खास ऐसी चीज होती है और किस तरह का करियर उनका बनता है। और लगातार ये अब बहुत सारे आप लोगों ऑलरेडी हम काफी लोगों को इन्वाइट कर चुके हैं। आज भी हमारे साथ एक काफी प्रतिष्ठित एनएलयू के स्टूडेंट है। बट बिफोर आई शेयर हिज नेम विद यू एंड इनवाइट और वेलकम हिम ऑन द शो, मैं चाहूंगा कि आप हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, इसको बेल आइकन जो बेल है उसको दबा दें ताकि आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए एंड शेयर दिस इंटरव्यू विद मैक्सिमम पीपल ताकि सब बच्चों को इससे फायदा हो। So let me give this opportunity to welcome Ishan Jain. Ishan Jain is currently moving to second year at National Law University, Shimla. Shimla के अंदर जो National Law University है, one of the very good universities. Ishan, welcome to the show.
Thank you, sir, for inviting me, sir.
Okay, right, Ishan. it's really so good. So शिमला की ठंडी हवाओं से अभी आपको अपने घर में गर्मी में रहना पड़ रहा है. How is the feeling?
Sir, yeah, that's true that the weather at Shimla is far better than here. वहाँ पे इतनी गर्मी नहीं feel करने को होता. वहाँ पे temperature is always normal.
Okay.
Even in the summer afternoon, summer noons, it's a far better condition than what we are experiencing in Hisar.
ठीक है, तो लॉकडाउन क्या मजबूरी है, you can't help it. Okay. Okay. ईशान, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप थोड़ा सा हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं, जो बच्चे हैं, जो ऑडियंस है या बच्चों के पेरेंट्स हैं आपको देख रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताइए. आपने प्लस टू कहाँ से किया, योर फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, सिटी?
Sir, I did my plus 2 from Delhi Public School, Hisar, from arts stream.
Okay.
I am basically the Hisar resident only. My father is a financial planner. He has his own financial firm, and my mother is a homemaker.
Okay, great, great. अच्छा ईशान, you know, since you did plus two from a very good reputed school, एक मैंने ट्रेंड देखा है, especially you know people with smaller towns, हिसार हो गया, जोधपुर हो गया, maybe संगरूर, पटियाला और औरंगाबाद और नासिक, what और गाजियाबाद एक्सेट्रा. वहाँ बच्चों का क्या ट्रेंड रहता है? दे डू प्लस टू इन कॉमर्स, आर्ट्स एक्सेट्रा, एंड पहला ऑप्शन रहता है कि लेट्स गो टू दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, डू बीए फ्रॉम देयर, बीकॉम फ्रॉम देयर, और उसके बाद कुछ सोचें. ठीक है, बट यू प्रेफर टू गो टू अ प्रोफेशनल कॉलेज राइट आफ्टर फर्स्ट. तो आपने वो पाथ ना लेकर नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी ज्वाइन करना प्रेफर क्यों?
Sir, actually, if you see the trend, as you're saying, people are preferring traditional universities offering a bachelor's degree, just a bachelor's degree. As you know, law is an integrated course which provides both law honors and the bachelor's degree itself. So, sir, it's just see, we are having a merit here. The student doing just a bachelor degree from Delhi University will only get a degree of, for example, BA honors after 3 years. But as we pass out from National Law University, we will get the degree of both for example, I'm doing BBA LLB honors, so I will get both the degree of BBA as well as LLB. Moreover, the career path after the just a bachelor's degree is not sure. It's very unsure that what will happen, how will we get placements, because you will see that only there are 1 or 2 reputed colleges in Delhi University, and that too, for example, St. Stephen's does not even now come under the Delhi University.
Yeah.
If you may say one of the top DU college that was earlier.
Yeah.
So, but in NLUs, we have a surety that, yeah, we will be able to proceed in life, and just getting into NLU just secures our future.
Yeah. So what you mean to say is कि जो मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ that BA is a purely academic program which does not have any professional value in the market, whereas a 5-year law degree program at an NLU is a purely professional program and having considerable, you know, market worth.
Yes, sir. Even sir, you will notice that while pursuing your bachelor's degree, just even in the St. Stephens, you won't get any professional experience
Yeah.
as you get in the law and NLUs. For example, we get debates, we get mooting. That is the just the replica of the original courts in India.
Yeah.
And even the we used to go to the international moots, international debates. So we used to get ourselves into that course only that we will be professing after 5 years.
Mm-hmm. Great, great. So, you feel, अच्छा, तो then since you have already talked about mooting, debating, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ आपसे that we'll come to the mooting, debating part a little later. There is a misconception in the mind of people. उनको लगता है कि लॉ पढ़ लिया, 5 year लॉ पढ़ा, या एनएलयू से पढ़ा, कहीं से पढ़ा, because people are not aware about the potential of NLU. They think that law degree means litigation only. Law करोगे तो आप खाली कोर्ट में जाके प्रैक्टिस करने को मिलेगा, आप कुछ और लाइफ में कर नहीं सकते. And generally, since most of the लोगों की प्रैक्टिस चलती नहीं है, so people feel that law is not a great career option. Since you are in a premier college, in an elite college, what are the career options basically? क्योंकि मुझे एनएलयू के बच्चे बोलते हैं कि litigation is not for us. हम litigation में शायद नहीं जाएंगे. So what do you feel? What are the options in law nowadays?
Sir, as people say that that after law we can only pursue judiciary or litigation, sir, it's totally wrong. Sir, you will see the percentage after you will a percentage amount of percentage also goes to law firms, corporate sectors, and even the international law firms. And even sir, someone say that after law you will only pursue UPSC. Sir, you will also see that many people are pursuing IFS, where you become ambassadors of India in different countries. You represent India in different countries like USA, or you may represent India in United Nations. And so you will be shocked to know that in the Ministry of Law and Justice in India itself, there is a legislative department that has the role of making the legislation. The first draft of the bill that is presented in the House, even before the politicians, they are the ones who make that bills, and those all are the lawyers. It's the compulsory that they should have a law degree. So it's not just confined to the litigation or judiciary. There are very vast scope. You may even go and research. If you are interested in academics, you may even go and research. You may just as we pursue our internships in the embassies. For example, I am thinking of pursuing an internship British High Commission in Bombay. So in similar way, you can be ambassador of India itself in the different countries. You can represent India in United Nations. You can be a part of the legislative department of Ministry of Law and Justice. And even sir, you may see that there are many lawyers who are the great politicians. For example, you may see that Kapil Sibal and that Arun Jaitley. Yeah,
Yeah.
they are all lawyers. So it's not confined to litigation.
Yes, yes. I think this is an eye opener for the people who think that law is not a great program. Uh, the other thing that since you mentioned about meeting debating, what are the my question is divided into three parts. What are the major learnings that you have picked up in NLU Shimla in last 1 year? In 3 areas: academics, extracurricular activities, and overall transformation of you as a person.
Okay, sir. So the first question of your about the academics, sir, we have a very vast and practical curriculum. For example, we are not confined to the theoretical part. Even if we are giving the papers, the theoretical paper we are giving, we are asked to solve the cases. We are given the imaginary cases, and we are supposed to give the decision by giving the case laws. And sir, moreover, we have a categorization. We are midterm, post midterm, and the end term. The post midterm is about writing the research papers and presenting it in front of the whole class, just as we do in the conferences and international conferences.
Yes, yes.
And sir, and in the first year also, itself only, as I was in the first semester, we were having a subject of legal research and methodology. In there, we were taught how to do research, how to do legal research, how to go by AIR and different. As we there are many people who think that the case only are reported in AIR, but there are many other reporters where the cases are reported. So how we go by legal research, how we go by citation, proper citation, that is Blue Book, Harvard, OSCLA, ILI. So our curriculum is divided in such a way that we get the practical knowledge even if we are giving our theoretical papers. In the second semester, we have legislative drafting subject that will help us in drafting the bills, the original legislation that I was earlier telling you.
Yes.
So our curriculum is divided in the law, with the theoretical paper with the practical part. Even if we are giving the paper of torts or contracts, etc., we are supposed to be in the practical world.
Great.
And sir, you are just extracurricular activities. So there are vast field of extracurricular activities just apart from the field of law itself. You can be in the cultural activity, dance, acting, drama, and there's a popular street dramas. And sir, you may even pursue when you comes to the law that mooting debates, and now debates are also divided in three parts: British parliamentary debates, Asian parliamentary debates, MUNs, one-on-one, that is Lincoln Douglas model debates, sir. So yes, sir, there are vast.
आई थिंक ईशान का इंटरनेट कनेक्शन टूट गया। अपना तो नहीं टूट गया कहीं? उसका ही टूट गया।
हाँ नहीं, देखो वापस ऑडिबल हुआ सर। सर, am I audible, sir?
Yeah. Now you're audible. I think your internet connection went away.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So as I was saying that we have a very vast scope when it comes to the curricular activities also, because we are not confined even to the mooting or debate. We are confined, as I was saying, the conferences, national conferences, international conferences, arbitration, negotiations, and even there are some people who said that we are going to law college but we will not be able to pursue our sports. So our college, they the sports events. For example, there was a sports event in National Law University, Jodhpur, and RJ in Patiala. Our college was the one who funded us. Even in the moods, the payment is paid by the college itself. So it's just not about the law; it's about your total development. And sir, the third part, what I learned in learning, sir, it was about that how to conduct myself in the professional world. Even in the first year itself, they are teaching us how to conduct yourself in the professional world, so that how you will represent yourself. That because sir, when you even if that people were saying that the law is confined to the litigation, even if the NLUs are teaching us how to have upper hand than the other litigators, because the main part litigation depends is on your influence, how you are conducting yourself. So that's the how to conduct ourselves in the professional world is a learning that these national law institutes are teaching us, sir.
Okay, great. You also mentioned about some kind of international exposure, international. Please
Yes,
tell
sir.
a little more about it.
Sir, there are various kind of international exposures. For example, if you go by debate, sir, in the first year itself, I got the invitation from Harvard Model United Nations Dubai, Harvard Model United Nations China, and Harvard Model United Nations USA. I was supposed to go there, but due to this COVID pandemic, I canceled my program. And except from debating, there are mootings, international mootings. But firstly, you have to go by the national rounds, then the international rounds, and the total funding is by the college itself.
Yeah.
And other is by the exchange programs. Sir, there are different types of exchange programs. Sir, even the first year, our first year got the chance. We regularly got received the mail from the internal quality assessments cell of our college that forwards us the that summer schools that they are conducting. For example, in this semester we were having the summer schools in United Kingdoms and Ireland.
Okay.
So these are the international exposures we are getting.
Great. But very good. Okay. Ishan, how is life of a student at NLU Shimla? So a lot of people think that NLU में शायद कुछ issues होंगे, खाना नहीं मिलता होगा अच्छा, बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछते हैं सर बहुत दूर है भोपाल, जोधपुर, शिमला. How is the life? Is the life enjoyable there?
Sir, the life at a national law institute, for example, I may say at National Law University Shimla, is totally different what we're experiencing here, sir. सर, यहाँ पे घर पे हमें ये भी लगता है कि हम वहाँ पे अपने आप को एडजस्ट कैसे कर पाएंगे, हम हॉस्टल में जा रहे हैं, अभी तो हम घर पे रहे हैं सर. बट ट्रस्ट मी, यू जस्ट नीड 1 week टू बी स्टेबलाइज देयर. सर, अभी कोविड हुआ सर, हम लिटरली रो रहे थे कि हमें घर नहीं आना, हमें वहीं पे रहना है. Even I was saying to my mother that I am waiting for the lockdown to lift up. I'll go to my college if the next day the lockdown gets over. So, but going to keeping the hostel life apart, coming back to the college life, sir, our schedule is from we have our college from 9 to 4. 9 to 10 we have a breakfast. Breakfast is served at both at the hostel and the college main building both. We get breakfast at the college main building and the hostel itself. Then we have our classes to 10 to 1. From 1 to 2 we have a lunch break, and now the lunch break is also served both as the hostel and as well as the college building. And then we have our classes from 2 to 4. And sir, then our classes gets over. Then many students indulge in various sports activities. We have our indoor activities as well as indoor activities, and sometimes outdoor activities when we are going to the sports fest. Then we even practice for moods debates if we are having a competition, and conferences, research papers, and even people used to sit in the library till late nights, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. We have our libraries open till at that time. And sir, the life there is very exciting. You need to experience many lot things, new things, new daily. For example, even I am sitting home at 10 today. We are having had a webinar on landmark. Even while sitting in Hisar, we are having our presentations online at the college. So the life
You
there
have
is.
so many options to trek also. और कुछ नहीं मन करे तो पहाड़ पे ट्रैकिंग करने चले जाओ. So that is also an exciting part.
Yes, sir. शिमला इज दैट प्लेस. शिमला इज ऑल्सो दैट प्लेस कि जहाँ पे आप घूमने भी निकल सकते हो. And actually the main advantage for traveling, the main advantage of our college, if someone wants to travel, is that we are on the national highway of Kullu, Mandi, Kullu and Shimla. So if in one direction you can go to Kullu, in other direction you can go to Shimla, and then again to Sanjoli. And the main exposure is that actually we have shifted to a permanent campus. So
Yes.
we got a permanent campus. We have shifted to a permanent campus, and the actually we are our college is in Valley, so it's a lot beautiful while studying lot there. And just yeah, and just in front of our college is the Judicial Academy. So we get the exposure of going to that place also. So yeah, it's a very nice place.
You are newly recruited there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ishan, what will be your advice to the paper work, the students who are going to appear in class 2020?
Sir, as my sister is also going to give CLAT 2020, so I know that the CLAT pattern has changed. It's now more of a reading based than the memory based. Earlier, we used to remember the maxims, the words, and particularly the one-liner GKs.
Yes.
So yeah, it has now become the more of the reading part.
Yes.
So yeah, sir, the one advice is to continuously read, to develop the reading habit, so that you develop the reading speed, so that you can attempt all the questions. The major gameplay here is, as you said, it's not the quality, it's quantity. The more number of questions you attempt, the more better NLU you will get.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it's more about the reading habit. Sir, reading habit, we need to develop a reading speed.
And
So
what
it's
will
more
be
about
your-
reading speed and practice.
What will be your advice to the people appearing in 2021 or 22?
Sir, my advice would be to start preparing from class 11th itself. And sir, because in class 11th, you get in the habit of giving mocks, in having of reading, sir. That we develop a habit of reading, as you gave us the assignments, that a long legal passage assignment. So we develop our reading speed, our reading habit. We develop our it helps us preparing our schedule, how to prepare for CLAT in future. So because if you are preparing for CLAT from class +1, then you will go through the syllabus in class +1 itself, and class +2 will be totally a practice.
Absolutely.
So it will give you an upper edge to crack CLAT in the first attempt only.
Since you spent an year with us, where do you see the role of the mentors and faculties of Career Compass in ensuring your success to an illusion?
Sir, Career Compass helped me a lot uh, in me going to that national institute, because for us for law aspirants, I won't say CLAT aspirant, law aspirants, our main dream is to be in an NLU.
Yeah.
And we got a I got a continuous support from your side. Even you if you remember that I used to sit till 8 o'clock or 8:30 in your institute till night, and even teachers are specifically teachers were there even to support me. For example, Vishal sir was there, even Mohit sir, even you were there to solve my queries, and you regularly uh, you regularly interacted with us one on one. That helped us to point out where we are lacking, where we need to improve, and what is our strong zone. So yes, sir, you helped not me, even many of the law students who are in different, like for example, even in the private law college or in the national law universities. You helped us
No,
to.
your batch was
Uh,
good. Actually, your batch had around the rank 20. Your batch produced great.
Sir, I was not able to hear
Your
you.
batch produced
Yes, sir.
great results.
Yes,
Right,
sir. Sir,
Ishan?
actually, the
Please continue.
yes, sir. Actually, we got the support from you, sir. Career Compass was not like just taking class and go home. It was like taking class, give mocks. Sir, we were like, I many times used to go to Mohit sir and said, "कि sir, मुझे mock देना है." Sir, well, sir, at hand used to give me the mocks and say solve the paper, and the next day he used to tell me my results. So it was like he that place was like, if you want to study, be here at any time you want.
Great.
हम
Wonderful.
वहाँ पे सर कभी भी रुक सकते थे सर वहाँ पे.
Wonderful. Right, Ishan, thank you so much. It was really very great talking to you. And it is always a pleasure talking to you. And I wish you all the best, all the luck in your future life. And you had to miss an international MUN this year. I hope once this pandemic is over, Corona scare is over, you should be able to, participate in an international event. So all the best from our side. Thank you so much. It was wonderful talking to you, having you on the show, and it was an absolute pleasure. Thank you.